Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Alice's Kitchen. Now in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I made my amazing creamy skillet chicken thighs. If you guys haven't subscribed to my channel as yet, please go ahead and do so. Also to turn on your post notifications so you can always be notified whenever I upload a new video. Now, let us cook. So guys, here I have my 4 pieces of bone-in chicken thigh. I already went ahead, washed it and cleaned it, all that good stuff. Now I'm just patting it dry with a paper towel. Now guys, I'm just going to moisturize those thighs using oil, and this is just going to help the season to adhere better to the chicken. Now guys, first season that I'm going in with is garlic powder, and I'm just sprinkling that all over the chicken thigh. I realized that this was just going to take a million years, so I just combined all the ingredients in a bowl. So I'm just mixing all that. In that bowl we have garlic powder, paprika, black pepper and chicken season. Now I'm just going to sprinkle that all over the chicken. Pat the season all over that thigh, then we're gonna flip it and repeat the same process. And guys, I will be sure to list all the ingredients and the measurements for you guys down in the description below, so please be sure to check that out. Now guys, you want to ensure that your chicken is well seasoned. Okay, you see how beautiful this chicken looked already? This is exactly how you want your chicken to look before you start cooking it. Now in a skillet on high heat, I'm adding a tablespoon of oil. Now I'm going to be placing the chicken thigh in that oil, skin side up. And you want to cook that until it's a bit crispy or golden brown for about 5 minutes on each side. I'm gonna be flipping this chicken, and look how beautiful that is. Now this is the exact color that I'm looking for. Now I'm gonna be finished cooking this in the oven for about 10 minutes guys, because it's not fully cooked. Now guys, in that same skillet, I went ahead and I removed all the burnt season. I think that was the garlic and onion powder. It's really easy to burn, so just be careful with that. So I'm adding 1 tablespoon of butter in that same skillet. I'm gonna allow that to heat or melt. Then guys, I'm gonna be adding chopped red onions, 1 teaspoon of chopped garlic, then I'm gonna let this cook for about 1 minute until it's translucent and fragrant. Then guys, I'm adding red pepper flakes. This is optional guys, this is an optional ingredient. I just like spicy food, well, not really spicy, but just a little kick to my chicken. So now guys, I'm going in with half of a cup of chicken broth, 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. Allow this to simmer for about 2 minutes. Now guys, I'm gonna be adding some spices. I'm adding 1 teaspoon of paprika and 1 teaspoon of chili powder. Mix that together, then I'm going to reduce the heat to low and stir in the heavy cream. Now guys, you want to simmer this for about 7 to 8 minutes and you want to stir it occasionally guys until the sauce is thickened. So now that the sauce has thickened a bit, I'm going to be placing back the chicken in that pan with the sauce guys. Now you want to spoon some of that sauce over your chicken, and this was so juicy, man. Oh my goodness. Now guys, if you want to use breast instead of chicken thigh, you guys can go ahead and do that. I just find that the thigh is much juicier. Yeah. So guys, this is the final product after the sauce has been reduced, and I know the color has changed. I'm not sure what happened, but yeah, I guess it's just different lighting, I guess. But yeah, I went ahead and I topped that off with some parsley flakes, fresh parsley flakes to be exact. Yeah, just a beautiful chicken recipe guys. You guys can serve this with mashed potatoes, rice, whatever you guys have on hand. I promise you it's good with every single thing. You're gonna thank me later for this recipe, trust me. I do hope you guys enjoy the video. Don't forget to give it a big thumbs up if you did. Like, comment, share, subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.